welcome back to my channel. It's Tori here. In today's video, I'm gonna review and share to you guys one of my favorite lotions from Silka, which is their Papaya Whitening Lotion that has SPF 6 and NutriBlend Complex. So, if you're looking for a skincare lotion na hindi malagkit now that Summer and AWRA season is just around the corner, then make sure to watch this video until the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, I'd like to give a big thanks to Silka for sending this over. It's their latest PR kit. I appreciate it a lot since I've been using Silka for like forever. Included in this package is different sizes of their Silka Papaya Whitening Lotion. And kung tatanungin niyo ako kung gaano ko nakatagal ginagamit ang Silka lotions, well, you better keep watching because I'll share it all with you. Masasabi ko na Silka na talaga ang gamit kong lotion for as long as I can remember. To be exact, I'd say ever since I was in high school or grade 8 up until now that I'm graduating college. I guess I stick to the Silka throughout all these years because of its texture. For me, yung pakiramdam niya sa skin ko is very thin or lightweight and basically hindi talaga siya malagkit. I also choose Silka all the time because of its fragrance. I like how calming its smell is. It kind of just gives me a relaxing vibe. I found out about Silka Lotion ever since I was young. Actually, it's what my family and friends have been using for all this time. I always see it here in our home, which encouraged me to purchase my own bottle of lotion from Silka. So, what do I like about Silka? Well, besides the fact that Silka is very easy to find and purchase at stores like Watson's, SM, or supermarkets, and it's even easy to purchase online today. Of course, I also like the fact that Silka is affordable for students like me. The Silka Papaya Whitening Lotion has become my holy grail because it saves me from the UV rays of the sun, and also it keeps my skin fair and bright. I remember going out on a swimming trip with my friends and one of them asked me kung ano bang nilalagay ko sa balat ko since it's so bright, it's so smooth and maputi. I just simply replied that I use Silka Lotion. My friend back then just said na kaya daw pala ako lalong pumuputi. At that moment, I realized na effective talaga yung Silka Lotion for me, so I stuck with it throughout the years. It also pushed me to continue using it as I grew up. So guys, if you're gonna ask me how often do I use Silka Papaya Whitening Lotion, well, up to date, I use it daily or every day and preferably every time after I shower. After I shower because it helps keep my skin fresh, bright, and also smoothens it throughout the day. But if you want best and better results, I suggest you also use and pair it with Silka Papaya soap as well. So guys, what are you waiting for? Kumakaway na ang Summer and AWRA season. For as low as 7 pesos, you can now try the Silka Papaya Whitening Lotion in this 10 ml sachet. But what's great is that they have a variety of sizes too. The 50 ml bottle costs 35 pesos. You can get this 100 ml Silka Papaya Whitening Lotion for 60 pesos. The 200 ml bottle of lotion costs only 107 pesos. You can grab the 300 ml bottle for 148 pesos and the 500 ml bottle costs only 215 pesos. Tara na! Bagong araw, bagong aura with Silka Papaya Whitening Lotion. Grab yours now at leading drugstores and supermarkets, or you could also order online at Shopee or Lazada. I'll make sure to put the links down below so you guys could check it out. I guess that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment down below or drop down any questions you have for me and my experience using Silka Lotion. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Bye!